Hey everybody, this is Kevin at Woodcraft checking out the new MW1000 mobile workshop from Festool. It combines the great features of the MFT table with the mobility of the sys roll. Down here we've got a sturdy base that you can lock your T-lock sustainers to with an adjustable foot and almost 8-inch wheels on the back. Above that we have a height adjustable pull-out shelf that can be moved to accommodate any combination of sustainers. Up top, you've got a replaceable MDF top with your standard 20mm dog holes that can be used with any MFT accessories. What we've got here today is the full kit, which is the basic model plus the extension table. You can buy this separately if you've already got an MFT table to expand your work surface. Here we've got it loaded up with our CT Sys vacuum, our domino joiner and assortment of dominoes, and a few clamps. When you get to your job site, setup is easy. Once attached, you can use the adjustable feet to make your surface completely level. To check these out, visit your local Woodcraft store or head online to woodcraft.com.